Welcome back. Now it's time to take things to the next level and actually make your web page react to your code. We are going to do a few simple but exciting things. Change text on the page, change colors, even make a button that changes something when clicked. Ready? Let's dive in. Let's start with a super simple HTML page. In your project folder, open the file called index.html. If you don't have it yet, here is the code to add. We have got a heading, a paragraph, and a button, all simple HTML. Now we will use JavaScript to control them. Open script.js in VS Code. This is where the fun happens. Let's start by grabbing the H1 from the page. We do that by something called the document.querySelector. It lets you select things from the HTML. Type this line. Const heading equals document.querySelector H1. Now we have basically said, hey JavaScript, find the heading on the page and keep it in a variable called heading. Let's test that. Add this line, console.log heading. Now save the file, go to your browser, open DevTool console, and you should see something like H1 Hello World. Perfect. JavaScript found it. Now let's change that heading text. Right below your code type heading.textContent equals hello from JavaScript. Save the file, then refresh your page. See that? The heading text just changed. That's JavaScript talking directly to your web page. You can even style it. Heading.style.color equals blue. Heading.style.font-size equals 3 rem. And instantly, your heading turns big and blue, all through your code. Let's make the button actually do something. First, select it like we did with the heading. Const button equals document.querySelector button. Now add a click event. Button.addEventListener, click, function, document.body.style.background equals light yellow. Heading.textContent equals, you click the button. Save it. Now click the button in your browser. The background changes and the heading updates instantly. That's your very first bit of DOM interaction. You just made your page respond to your actions. Let's recap what you just did. You selected HTML element using document.querySelector. You changed text and styles using .textContent and .style. You reacted to clicks with an event listener. That's a big step. You have officially started controlling the browser with JavaScript. This video was just the first basic interaction with DOM manipulation. Later in this course, we will learn more about DOM manipulation in depth. Pretty cool, right? In just a few lines of code, you made your web page come alive. See you in the next one.